Okay, on a service call. It's supposed to be an installation, but now it's a service call, so he wants me to try and get it running. And what it's doing is the flame is dancing around for a few seconds inside, and then it's going out. So that is typically the TRD. So I've seen that enough times to I pretty much know what that is. I would show you what it is, but can we do that? Nah, you'll be all right. But basically, the pilot light comes up. It stays on. You turn the valve on, and the flame kind of dances around a little bit. Now, it did leak at one point in time. You can see the thermocouple was replaced. All right, this thing is huge. And I'm in a salon. So the valve seems to be good. Everything seems to be pretty good here. Let me do a little switch here. Switch around. I brought a water heater with me. I was supposed to do an installation here. But he says if I can get it working, then he'll pay me the same thing. So I'm thinking I can get it working. So it's getting water heaters working is my deal. We got a lot of ash. Let me give you guys a little look here. So, I almost guarantee you, yeah, TRD. So the TRD is popped. There's a lot of ash in there. So he left the water on hot, and it ran for 4 hours, and the water heater kept basically running for 4 hours. And it blew up the combustion chamber, right? Just created too much heat in there, and part of the safety system is to pop that. He did say there was water, but I don't know where it could have been coming from. Maybe from the temperature pressure relief. Although that is piped outside. So we'll see, maybe it went outside, and you can see it right there. So that's the TMP. It's piped outside. So maybe it came back in from outside. But there is a lot of ash going on in here. Fortunately, I brought my vacuum. So. Well, looks like I'm going to be making some easy money. Alright, so here's the busted TRD, right? Here's a good one. What happens is the glass vial breaks, the little clip comes out, and you can see it slides, the bolt slides right through here, closes the combustion chamber on the bottom, shuts off the oxygen supply. And oops, it's awkward to do here. And then chokes out the flame. Probably just clean this thing out with a wet rag. We'll try that. Okay. I gotta clean up a lot of this ash. With a wet towel. so you guys can see this bathroom's pretty tight. So. Here. So we got a really wet towel. There's a lot of ash up here on the top of the combustion chamber.
But no, you come in and get all my, and you put it over there, you triple it.
Okay. I covered the screen with the other towel. And cleaning the screen off. There's some more in the back, along the sides. Try not to slice my hand up here. This is like a 2013 GE, still going. Alright, so let's see if we can get you guys a little bit of a view. So TRD is in, combustion chamber's cleaned up. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. Cleaned the top of the tank there. Got a layer of soot, fine powder. I think we're ready to. Kind of looks like this right here. Let's kind of see that. Is that ash?
This is the real, this is Mission Hill. But this one I'll give you 80 on this. This is what a lot of it. You know what it is? Yeah, you know what it is. It's a mission, like Mission Hill. You know Mission Hill down the street? This is what they put in their house. Because it's just the mission stuff. This stuff.
Let's be John in that be holiday. Old fashioned.
No, she's gonna come next because she's got a little bit of trouble. She's done that 3 times. See, I call it later. She comes, I take a picture. I got pictures of her. Oh, I'm not gonna knock it off. She'll give you a word. I don't know what she's doing. I love it. And I paid for that stuff too, but I want it out. It's kind of, but I haven't. Yeah. You float by here?
The Christmas tree. My Christmas special. What's going on here? Oh shit.
So everything that I have done by Tuesday, I want half of this place
crooked here. There we go. Usually I put the main burner on before the pilot, because you need room to turn it here, but this guy's gonna be still. I'm gonna get out of here. No time. Should have called me a month ago. Just finger tight, quarter turn.
See, that lady's coming tomorrow to pick up stuff, and she said, I buy a lot of stuff from you, so I said, I'll go before we go Sunday. I had a,
All right.
right here. Which one?
There we go. I don't know if you guys can see. I know you got wide angle lens going on. It's my most consistent camera. All right, pilot light's lit. That's not hold up. I guess I didn't wait long enough. That held before. Maybe I over tightened this thermocouple. Okay, here we go. All right. There you go. My Christmas special here. So what's the TRD? Which is this guy here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Maybe one day Google will release my account so I can actually make some money at this. Alright. Getting old. Have a great night.